Oh, yeah. It's terrible. Sorry?
Tools.
Yep, tools.
Get ready at 1 o'clock in the arena for a Bobcat skills show.
We didn't have a stand, so it was pretty hard. What can you tell us about the Westinghouse site?
This is the new AS model, the auto start model, mainly used for the off-grid solar people. It's got the full solar ready, so you put it on auto run, hit the auto start control, and then what you need is a switching wire or 2-wire start back to the inverter. Once your batteries of your solar panels are dying or dead, it'll send it a signal to start. The unit will start automatically, and then when the battery fills up
around the park,
at 100%, you'll send it another signal to make it
still
stop.
have some
So
of
it's
those.
fully
If you'd
automatic.
love to take one home with you, come and talk to us.
And that's the newest
Give us
model?
some money.
It is the newest
can have
model
one
in
of
the
those
Westinghouse
wonderfully
series,
comfortable bench
6,700 running watts and 8,500 starting watts. You can use the changeover switch in your house to run with these things. So yeah, no, very, very nice units.